I'm going to head out to the beach and see if I can do a little photography today, and as a testimony to the miniaturization of all of this stuff, I have in my one hand here, weighs about 5 pounds. I have a Mavic 2 zoom. I have a landing pad. I have a small tripod and a GoPro Hero 7 Black. And that's really all the gear I need to have an adventure. We're heading towards the beach, over to Melbourne Beach. And the reason I fly in Melbourne Beach is because it's one of the areas around me where I don't have restricted airspace. I've got Patrick Air Force Base about 5 miles to the north, got Melbourne International Airport, and to the south we've got St. Lucie. So this area of the beach happens to be right in between all of the different restricted areas, and I know I can fly here without a problem. Okay, I'm parked over here at the beach, and I think I'm gonna, a little breezy out here today, but I think I'm gonna put the drone up right here and then just fly out over the ocean. It's a little breezy. And we'll aim this thing over here at it a little bit. I wanted to check out the precision landing since the new firmware update. I hadn't really done one since I updated the firmware. So knowing that I had a pretty narrow spot to hit between the car and the sand, I kept an eye on it, but I kind of let it do its thing, and this is what happened. It looks like it's right on the money, within an inch of where it took off. A little breezy out here today, but this thing handled the wind just beautifully. At any rate, being Christmas Day like this, I had the whole place to myself. Well, thanks for joining me on my little adventure today. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon and get notified when I post new content. Thanks for stopping by, and as always, go play with your drone and have a great day. Bye.